Hi, boys and girls. This is your Unit 10 Foundations test. Now, if you have access to a printer and you would like to print this paper, I'm linking it in the Google slide. If you don't, that's fine. Just go ahead and grab any paper and pencil to follow along. So if you need to pause this video at any point in time or rewind it to go back to a certain part, feel free to do so. Also, I'm linking up our first grade word wall, which has all of the trick words that you can use to look up for your trick word section and also for your sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. We are going to start with sounds. So, for our first sound, be my echo. What says shh, shh? Go ahead and write what says shh on the line. Number 2, what says ks, ks? Write what says ks on the line. Number 3, what says eh, eh? Go ahead and write it on the line. And number 4, what says onk, onk? Number 5, am, am. Once again, if you need to pause the video right now, go ahead and do so. Otherwise, we will move on to words. For the words, remember you can tap out the words on your own to spell them, and then I will give you instructions for the markups. First word, be my echo. Slant, slant. The word is slant. Go ahead and write the word slant on the line. Once you are finished writing the word slant, I want you to underline the blend with 2 lines. That's the only markup that you have to do. Number 2, be my echo. Twist, twist. The word is twist. Go ahead and write the word twist on the line. When you are done writing the word, go ahead and mark your blends with 2 lines. That is the only markup, just the blends. You're marking your blends. Number 3, be my echo. Slumps, slumps. Like she slumps in her chair. Slumps. Go ahead and write the word slumps on the line and listen for your instructions for the markup. Go ahead and scoop or underline the base word and circle the suffix. And underline any blends with 2 lines. Number 4, be my echo. Blended, blended. The word is blended. Write the word blended on the line. Listen for your instructions for the markup. Go ahead and scoop or underline that base word. Circle your suffix. Then you can underline any of the blends using 2 lines. Your last word, number 5, down at the bottom, the word is trusting, trusting. Write the word trusting on the line. Listen for the markup. For the word trusting, I want you to underline or scoop that base word, circle the suffix, and then you're going to underline blends with 2 lines. Now we will move on to our trick word section. Again, if you needed to, the sentence section. If you need to pause the video, you can pause the video. The sentences often need a pause in between each. I'm going to read the sentence and you will write. I have put the frames up on the screen, that way you can get an idea how many words and also where the trick words are. I circled the trick words and you can look them up using that word wall that I posted. Your first sentence, please be my echo. How could Frank get stung? How could Frank get stung? Go ahead and write your words. If you need to tap out any words, go ahead and do so. Once again, how could Frank get stung? When you are finished writing your sentence, go ahead and scoop your phrases. Be sure to proofread. I will move on to sentence number 2. If you need to pause, go ahead and pause. Number 2, please be my echo. I am thinking about the quiz. I am thinking about the quiz. I am thinking about the quiz. You can write all of the words, make sure you proofread, and when you are finished, scoop your phrases. I am thinking about the quiz. I'm going to post the answer key on the slide so someone can help you check your work and see how you did. Thank you so much for working so hard today and for following along. Keep up the great work, boys and girls.